Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to apply Tessera Sanitaria in Italy. It means health card. How to apply health card in Italy, any small town or metro city. It's very simple. No need to search any other information. You just follow my instruction and you can very easily apply and get health card within a 1 week. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply, first of all, I will show you how to get Tessera Sanitaria card and which documents you need to apply for the health card in Italy. So first document comes here in codice fiscale. So codice fiscale, how to apply codice fiscale card in Italy. I already making the video, very simple process to apply and get the codice fiscale within a 8 days. So document number 1, you need to codice fiscale. The second document is valid permit stay in Italy, and third one is your accommodation agreement, and the particular accommodation agreement mention your address. So those 3 documents is needed and you went Azure office. Suppose for example, I consider my perspective, I went this particular office like here Azure, Poly, Montro, Acro. Here this office website is also available. Such kind of offices are available each small town to big city. You just search on Google where exactly I get Tessera Sanitaria. So Azure, so such kind of offices are available of each small to big city. You went there and you bring only 3 documents, and now question comes, how much they charge you. Suppose for example, you are a research scientist, research student, postdoc researcher, or work permit you have, so no need to pay any single euro. But you are study here like a master student or PhD student, so you need to pay 149.77 euro, and you are a student as well as including your family. So as a 2 member, you can pay 219.59 euro, and then you get the Tessera Sanitaria card within a 1 week. But you are working here as a research scientist or some company or university, so no need to pay Tessera Sanitaria. You just went this particular office like Azure and just simply get the token and going to the queue line, and the one lady or one man are asking you what you want exactly. You explain accordingly. You want apply Tessera Sanitaria card and then submit there, and within a 1 week you receive your health card. So don't doing some online process, collect those 3 documents, went the particular office and then submit that the document, and within a 1 week you are receive your Tessera Sanitaria card. You want learn something in related to Tessera Sanitaria, so you just simply open Google and type here Tessera Sanitaria. So first link is display here. What is the facilities are available on that particular Tessera Sanitaria health card. You can read here how many places available on that particular offices. Some basic informations are available here. You can visit on that particular website and learn many things related Tessera Sanitaria card. If you have any question related to how to get Tessera Sanitaria, you can comment below. I will help you to solve your problem. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.